Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the new RWB model. This is called the Darth Vader and it's just got released by Solido at the 1/18 scale. I have to say the paint job looks really good and the model as well, especially in this black matte color. Let's start in the front. We have the headlights which look pretty good. Also we have the tow hook down here and the Porsche emblem here. Next, on the side we have the wheels. Also we have tire ratings. Everything looks pretty good, especially I don't know if you can see it, but the brake helper with roof on it. Also we have the brake disc which looks pretty good as well. Next we have in the back this huge spoiler with the RWB Europe written underneath it, and the two exhaust tips. Also we have the license plate with RWB and other brands. I think it says Vianen. I think is the guys who build it in Europe. Underneath the model we don't have that many details. We have only the exhaust system here in the back and some details on the engine. Let's open the doors to check out the interior. There you go. I have to say I really like the interior. We have the bucket seats with the green and the green stitching. It looks pretty good. Also we have the dash which looks okay. The steering wheel, it's very nice, and this side as well. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this model? I think it looks pretty good, especially the paint job looks very nice. Also tell me which one is your favorite of the RWB lineup from Solido, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.